bullets are, but we also want to find out how much damage they do. So behind the target, we have blocks of clay. So that way these will record the damage of each bullet. Then we'll be able to compare the bullets and see which one does more damage. First up is our control test with the lead bullet firing 100 feet away.
Oh yeah, he hit the clay.
Yeah, it's a shower of clay. It's still coming down.
That's the control, and it's pottery in motion. But can the silver bullets make the same kind of claymation?
Now, I've cast silver before. Now, it shrinks when it cools, and it often deforms in pits. This could pose a problem for accuracy.
Maybe, but it's over to Stephen to find out.
Okay, silver bullet this time.
What do you think?
I think we might be able to kill some werewolves.
We'll see. I don't know, can't tell.
No, not at all.
Even though the silver bullets have identical dimensions to the lead, test 1 missed the target.